Baik, ini laporan yang baru kami terima mengenai perkembangan operasi dan menyelamat MH370. Dua pesawat tentera udara Jepun yang berlepas dari Subang pagi tadi selamat tiba di Perth untuk membantu usaha mencari MH370. Editor Astrawani Zan Azli bersama juru kamera Sujentran ada laporannya.
Kerajaan Jepun menggerakkan dua pesawat P3 Orient untuk membantu misi berkenaan. Dua pesawat tersebut tiba di pangkalan tentera udara Diraja Australia Perth di Perth bersama anggota tentera udara dan kekitangan Kementerian Luar Jepun.
Negara Jepun telah pun berjanji untuk memberi segala bantuan yang boleh untuk membantu dalam operasi SAR di Perth. Dan di belakang saya tibanya dua pesawat dari negara Jepun, P3 Orient, yang datang dan setiap pesawat ini membawa di antara 20 hingga 25 orang untuk membantu dalam operasi yang dijalankan di pangkalan tentera udara base Pierce di Perth, Australia.
I'm with the JMSTF. Over the years, especially the P3 crews, they are highly professional and they'll bring a tremendous capability to this operation.
So what kind of capability do you expect from Japan?
They bring a P3, which is extended range, specifically designed for maritime patrol. They're also extremely professional aviators, and in a situation where we're conducting a visual search, they're all well trained to do that.
Have you already done some operation with Japan before?
I'm sorry?
Have you already done some operation with Japan before?
We've predominantly conducted exercises with Japan in recent times, but certainly we worked with the Japanese C-130 fleet in Iraq, and we've also worked with them in various counter-piracy efforts. So we have conducted operations with Japan, but these guys especially we have worked with on very difficult, high-profile exercises. RIMPAC is one example, and we always work seamlessly together.
Kedua pesawat Jepun ini akan memulakan operasi pencarian bersama pesawat yang lain selepas mendapat taklimat daripada pihak Australia. Zazli bersama juru kamera Sujentran melaporkan untuk Astrawani dari Perth, Australia.